In this video, I'll show you how to quickly and easily set up a proxy inside AdsPower Anti-detect Browser so you can browse securely and manage multiple accounts without getting flagged. AdsPower is an anti-detect browser that lets you manage multiple profiles with unique fingerprints, making it perfect for marketing, e-commerce, and account management. By adding a proxy, you can mask your real IP address, simulate location-specific browsing, and reduce the risk of account bans. First, open AdsPower and log into your account using your username and password. Once you're inside, go to the Profile list, where you can manage or create new browser profiles. Click on Add Profile to set up a new browsing environment with its own unique fingerprint. In the proxy settings, choose your proxy type, HTTP, HTTPS, or SOCKS 5, depending on what your provider supports. Enter your proxy's IP address, port number, and authentication details. Make sure to double-check for typos. Click Test Proxy to ensure it's working. You should see a success message if the connection is good. Once the proxy passes the test, click Save. Your new profile is now ready to launch. Click Open to start browsing with your new proxy-enabled profile. You can verify your IP and location using an IP check tool. Always use reliable proxy providers to avoid downtime and keep your proxies updated for smooth performance. If you found this tutorial useful, hit the like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and share this video with your friends.